Most creators don't fail because of bad content. They fail because they don't understand their data. Imagine knowing exactly what video will grow your channel before you even post it. Today, I'll show you how analytics, tracking, and conversion optimization turn views into real results. Welcome back to Lynn Spark Studio. If you're creating content but not seeing growth, the problem is probably not your creativity. It's your analytics. In this lesson, I'm going to break down analytics, tracking, and conversion optimization in the simplest way possible. You'll learn how to understand your audience, track what actually works, and turn viewers into followers, subscribers, and customers. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what numbers to watch and how to use them to grow faster and smarter. Analytics is how you measure what works and what doesn't in your content and marketing. Instead of guessing, analytics shows you. Who is watching? What do you like? Where are you from? And why do you buy or follow? Understanding this helps me create content that truly resonates with you. Let me know in the comments below. Content creates attention. Analytics turns attention into growth. The 3 pillars you must understand. A, this is all about performance data, the metrics that show you how well you're doing. It includes things like conversion rates, customer lifetime value, and traffic sources. How many people saw your content? How long did they stay? Did they engage? These metrics reveal your content's true impact. Use them wisely. Today, we'll cover key metrics for social media growth: views and reach, watch time, engagement rate, click-through rate, and follower growth. Understanding these will help you optimize your content and build a loyal audience. Tracking follows what people do after they see your content. It shows the actual user behavior, not just views or clicks. This data helps us optimize our content strategy. Someone clicks your link, visits your website, signs up for email, buys a product. Tracking connects actions to results. Conversion is when someone takes action, like subscribing, following, or making a purchase. Optimization means improving your content so more people take those actions. It's about making your message irresistible. Hey creators, let's talk about must-have analytics tools. Social media analytics are built right into the platforms you use. This gives you insights on engagement, reach, and audience growth. It's a great place to start. To grow your audience, start with YouTube Studio Analytics. Track viewer age and see your top posts. On Instagram and Facebook, use Insights. It's also help you find your top content for them posting times. Let's talk about website and funnel analytics. Key tools include Google Analytics, bid link trackers, and email platform analytics. Track traffic sources, page visits, and conversion rates to optimize your strategy. Metrics that actually matter. Ignore vanity metrics. Many creators focus only on views. That's a mistake. Focus on engagement rate, conversion, and customer lifetime value. Watch time. Longer viewing builds algorithm trust. Engagement rate. Comments, saves, and shares matter more than likes. Click-through rate, CTR. Are people clicking your titles or links? 4. Conversion rate. How many viewers become followers or buyers? How to set up tracking. Step 1. Create one main goal. For example, grow your email list, sell a digital product, or increase followers. Never track everything at once. Step 2. Use trackable links. Instead of one link everywhere, create separate links for YouTube bio, Instagram bio, Pinterest pins, email campaigns. Now you know where traffic comes from. Step 3. Install analytics if you have a website. Add the tracking code to your website or landing page. This allows you to see the visitor behavior, drop-off points, and your best traffic sources. Today, we're breaking down conversion funnels. It's the journey every customer takes. It starts with discovery, then interest, then trust, and finally the action you want them to take. Keep this in mind for your marketing. Hey creators, let's optimize your funnel. It starts with a short video for value, next a free resource to build trust. Finally, an offer for conversion. Use analytics and watch conversions soar. Conversion optimization starts with your hook. The first 3 seconds decide everything. Ask yourself, does this stop scrolling? Is the value clear instantly? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. If you're enjoying this, subscribe for weekly lessons. You don't want to miss out on these tips. Hit subscribe now. Subscribe for weekly marketing lessons that will transform your business. Follow us for daily marketing tips that will keep you ahead of the curve. Your success starts with that click. Subscribe and follow today. To optimize a landing page, keep it simple. One message, one goal, one button. Too many options, reduce conversions. Welcome. Today we're revealing the secret of fast growth, A/B test. Test small changes, your thumbnail, title, caption, posting time, and CTA wording. Keep what performs better. It's that testing today. Welcome. Let's review our weekly analytics routine. First, check your top 3 performing posts. Then, identify why they worked and repeat that format. Next, growth comes from repetition and improvement. Let's talk about common mistakes creators make. First, posting without checking analytics. Second, changing strategy too quickly. Third, chasing trends without data. And fifth, no clear conversion goal. The growth formula is a simple cycle. Create, measure, learn, improve, repeat. Consistency plus data equals predictable growth. Let's look at a platform strategy example for YouTube. We track metrics like watch time, retention, and CTR. The goal is to create longer viewing sessions. This strategy improves engagement and growth. For viral distribution on Instagram and TikTok, focus on 3 key metrics: saves indicator valid, and a high rewatch rate keeps viewers hooked. Optimize these to go viral. If you're looking to drive traffic, Pinterest is a goldmine. Its outbound clicks are through the roof, and saves keep your content alive longer. Plus, it has millions of monthly viewers. Start generating traffic today. Final pro tip: successful creators don't guess. They let data guide creativity. Analytics doesn't replace creativity. It tells you where creativity works best. And that's the power of analytics, tracking, and conversion optimization. Remember, success online is not about guessing. It's about understanding what works, improving what doesn't, and making smarter decisions with real data. Every click tells a story. Your job is to listen to it and use it to grow. If this lesson helped you understand how to turn numbers into results, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to grow smarter online. Drop your biggest takeaway or question in the comments. I read them, and they help shape future lessons for you. This is Lynn Spark Studio, where strategy meets creativity and growth becomes intentional. See you in the next lesson.